Exercise 1. Melina spends $90 per month on dog keeping services. A 5 hours package costs $18 and a single hour costs $4. If P represents the number of 5 hours packages Melina buys in a month and S represents the number of single hours Melina buys in a month, which equation best represents this relationship? Okay, so we know that we have two different types of packages. We have a 5 hours one, which costs $18, and a single hour package that costs $4 respectively. Now, P represents the number of P packages Melina bought, and S, Melina, therefore, let's assume that this is Melina, she bought P packages of 5 hours. And since we already said that each one of these packages costs $18, then this means that Melina paid in total for these P packages 18 times P. Similarly, she bought S packages of 1 hour. And once again, since each one of these packages costs $4, then for S packages, she paid S times 4, which is equal to, let's see something, which is equal to 4 times S. 4 times S. So, overall, Melina paid a total of 18p plus 4s. And we were told that this is equal to 90. So, one relationship that gathers all this info would be 18p plus 4c equals 90, and this makes D the right answer for this question.